Hackers stole 30 million from crypto.com and they stole from 6,000 people on Coinbase. So if you hold your crypto on an exchange, you need to watch this video to learn how to keep your crypto safe. As you can see, these exchanges are not the most secure. There have been numerous instances where crypto has been stolen. 120,000 Bitcoin stolen, worth 5 billion. What? What the fuck? Yeah, you get the picture? So, what can we do? We need to move our crypto out of the exchanges, which is hot storage, and take them offline into cold storage. Now your crypto will have two keys, which is basically just two passwords. You'll have your public key and you'll have your private key. The problem you have with using exchanges like Coinbase, crypto.com and so on is that your keys are stored on that platform, online. The platforms are connected to the internet and this is a hacker's playground. They can come in there, find your keys and dip with your money. Because cryptocurrency is supposed to be decentralized, there's no regulations in place to get your stolen cryptocurrency back. Some platforms will give you money, however, it's not needed, they don't have to do it. Putting your money on platforms like this turns your decentralized currency into centralized because all your money and everyone uses the similar platforms. This is where cold storage comes in. Cold storage is not connected to the internet, so hackers really can't do anything about it. Think of it like this, if you had your private key written down on a piece of paper, how is a hacker going to get this? They're going to hack a piece of paper? No. The most popular cold storage device, and the one I personally use and recommend, is the Nano Ledger. So Ledger, do you want to sponsor me one day? Please? This device right here is one secure beast. First you'll have an 8-digit number code to get into the device, and if you fail that code 3 times, then it will lock you out, so have fun guessing that number. Then you'll have to collect your Ledger device and open up Ledger Live. From here you can manage all your cryptocurrencies. When it comes to moving crypto or the hackers trying to get your crypto, they will physically have to attach this to a computer and authorize it. Don't think they're going to be able to do that. And that is what makes this so safe, because there are physical barriers that you must pass to be able to send or receive the crypto. Now let's talk about some of the issues with cold storage. Now there's two main ones that I hear. Now the first one I hear is, what if I forget my login? And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that is a problem with this. Many people have lost crypto this way. With the Ledger Nano X, the one I use, it'll give you 3 attempts and after that it'll lock you out. However, there is one last chance. While you're setting up your device, it will generate a list of 24 words. Now these will be your recovery sequence basically. So if you mess up all those attempts, then you'll have to put in those 24 words and you'll have to do them in a certain order. So it's highly secure. So you better pray that you still have those words if you forget your login. Now the second one I hear about is, oh, they still want to earn interest on their crypto. Well, good news, you can still earn interest on your crypto by staking it. And that's it. Cold storage is a much safer way of storing your crypto. And it fits in with that age-old saying, it's not how much money you make, it's how much you keep. Just for the love of God, don't forget your login. Now to understand this topic better, you need to understand crypto in general. But good news for you, I have a whole playlist dedicated to crypto, which you can view here. What are you waiting for? Go watch it.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.